Muslim community of Manchester gave out free sweets and free headscarves as a gift. Girls and women from other faith communities came to us with their own free choice and wanted to try what it looks like and feels like wearing the hijab.
It looks great. Yeah.
A lady of Christian background said to us, "I have a lot of respect for Muslim women because they stick to their faith's dress code. We as Christian have forgotten, if not discard our dress code. The Holy Mary, the mother of Jesus, wore a long dress and had her head covered."
Looks very nice.